Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the text you want to change. Make sure you know the source and scope. Once chosen, decide why you need letters joined, readability, formatting, or a specific data format. Next, pick a tool: a text editor for quick fixes, a word processor for complex docs, or a tiny script if you repeat this often. Prepare a backup or copy before changing anything, and keep the original visible so you can compare results as you proceed. Now you perform the actual removal. If using an editor, run find and replace. Target plain spaces or a rejects like \s+ to collapse white space. Replace with nothing. If scripting, call a trusted function in Python use text. Replace or sub \s+ text for broader white space. Make sure you preserve punctuation and word boundaries where needed. Otherwise, words that should be separate could merge unintentionally. Once done, scan examples to verify the result looks correct and consistent. Finish by verifying results. Read several sentences to catch merged words or altered punctuation. If something looks wrong, immediately undo or restore the copy you made earlier and adjust your pattern. Target only single spaces or use word boundary-aware rejects to avoid joining words that belong separate. If automation still misbehaves, test on a smaller sample and tweak rules until reliable. One troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, narrow your match pattern rather than removing every space at once. This prevents most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.